I knew that I needed to be more prepared for just opening a shop. So I looked into different programs and I thought that this was, in Algonquin, one of the more practical that give you an idea of what is the real life as a baker. The shop management class, it just teaches you a lot about how to run a business, how to come, see if it's an issue, how to solve them, move to the next. And it just Algonquin prepared me to give me the confidence that I knew what I was going to do and I had to do it. So it's very important when you are opening any kind of business, it has to be something that you will be recognized for. So we decided to do a single portion of a very nice cake, and that is why the Cupcake Lounge came alive. And then the need of our customers started moving us slightly to create different products like cookies, cakes. Just bit by bit we are extending to be all kinds of bakery, but the main focus is the cupcakes. Everybody comes for the cupcake, it's almost sold out every night and everything is baked fresh daily. If I did it, anybody can do it. I think that was part of my whole program, to be able to be strong and work really hard to get it done and then make it happen. It just comes with a dream.